Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get an Oyster card. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is head over to Transport for London's website, and you just want to come over to this section which is called Contactless and Oyster account. Now from here we can go over to this section, and if you've already got an account you can go ahead and sign in, or if you don't yet have an account you can go down here and create one. Now once you've made your account or signed into your existing account, we'll be brought to this page here. And in order to get an Oyster card, we just want to go to this section where it says My Oyster Cards, and then we can go down and click Get a New Oyster Card. From here it tells us exactly how it works, so we can choose our ticket type, create an online account, pay online, and then our Oyster card will be delivered to us. So the first thing you need to do is select your ticket type, so you can choose Pay As You Go, Bus and Tram Pass, or Travel Card. So you just want to pick whichever one's best for you, and then you can go ahead and click Next Page. From there, if you chose Pay As You Go, you can choose the amount of credit to add. So let's just say we wanted to add £5. We can do that, and we can also choose to add an auto top up as well. And as you can see here, it says this ensures we never run out of Pay As You Go credit, and it automatically tops up our card whenever the balance falls below £20. So if you want to make sure you never run out of balance, you can go ahead and pick one of these options. But if you're not worried, you can keep it as Do Not Add Auto Top Up and then click Next. From there, we can see our order and we can choose our delivery options. So we can get it first class for free, or if we need it next day delivery, we can choose special delivery, but that is going to cost £5 and 65 pence. So when you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click Next Page, and then we want to add some card security details. So we want to pick a question first, so you can choose your mother's maiden name, a memorable date, or a memorable place. And from there, you can put your answer in here and confirm it here, and then click Next Page. From there, we get to delivery and payment options, and we can just look through our order, make sure this is all correct. Your address will show here, so you want to make sure that's correct. And then you want to read, understand, and accept the TfL terms and conditions down here. And when you're ready, you can click Submit, and you'll be taken to a page where they will take payment for your Oyster card. And once you've done that, you will have successfully ordered your Oyster card. So that's how you can get an Oyster card. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.